So they picked us up here in hotel, and now we are going to get our quads, and then we are off to the desert. So it's a nice minibus waiting for us. It's like 20 minutes drive to the destination to pick up quads, and then we're going to hit the dirt. After around half an hour drive, we arrived to our destination in the desert, where you can see a lot of quad bikes aligned and waiting for us. And we was welcomed by our host, who explained everything that we needed to know about how to drive these quads.
Okay, welcome everybody in the quad station. First, here in the middle we have a black key. This is number one. Light the car like any engine. On the right side, on the key. Okay. Number two, we must start engine. Black button. Just one click here in the black button. The small one. Okay? Yo. Where is the gas here? Acceleration here in this one. It's not like motorcycle, not like a scooter. It's by finger. Step by step gas. Together brake. Front brake and back brake. Gas, stop. Gas, brake. Gas, brake. It's very easy, don't worry. Gas, brake. Okay? Yo. Off your engine. On the key. Start in the black button. Just one click. Acceleration, gas here. Together brake. Front brake and back brake both. Together in the same time. Zusammen. Okay? Einsteigen hier, eindrücken hier einmal, ein bisschen Gas geben. Zwei Bremsen. Vorne und hinten, zusammen. Not more. It's very easy and also automatic.
After around 10-15 minutes of the class, we went down inside this compound to do some training rounds with the quads, because there is a lot of inexperienced drivers, so it was a good thing to do and do some practice. After that, we aligned outside of that compound and prepared to take off into the desert. One of the advices that I want to give to you would be try to be as close as possible to the front of that row, because there is the least of dust that's going to go into your face, and your view is going to be much better like that. After around 20-25 minutes of a ride, we arrived to the Bedouin village, where we parked our quads in nice order, and from there we went to see some attractions.
Start for the camera.
Okay. Hello.
Yalla.
Okay. Opa. Okay.
What's the name?
Martinis. Mercedes.
And this is Lamborghini. I knew it.
Chance. Yeah? Yo. Switch. Okay. Lamborghini, Ferrari.
Lamborghini, Ferrari. Hey. Opa.
Yup.
Come on, old girl. As you can see here, the first thing to do in this Bedouin village was to ride the camels. That was also included in this price. I just want to mention that the entire price for this trip was $35 or euros, and it lasted around 4 hours. So this camel ride was quite a short one, around 2-3 minutes maybe, but it was a good experience as I never tried this before. Just one note, it is quite uncomfortable and you really have to pay attention when you are getting off of the camel, and you have to hold on quite tight, because as you can see it can be really intense and you can fall over. But these guides, they know what to do and they hold you with their hands so you don't fall over. After I said goodbye to my four-legged friend, we went down to see some offsprings of the camels, the young ones. As you can see here, there is two small or young camels, and we tried something to feed them with some piece of bread from my mouth. It was quite interesting experience. And after that we took a short break and tried traditional Bedouin tea. After the short break we had some spare time and we went down into some tents where you can buy different things that are produced or manufactured in those Bedouin villages.
In the Bedouin camp here is special for tourists, but we have original Bedouin behind the mountain, okay, like 5 kilometers behind the mountain. Everything here it's natural, like this one it's in Iraq. It's very good for cold and flu and for bad cigarette. Drink every day 2 times or 3 times. The other one it's in mashta. It's for allergy, for eczema, and also good for hair. It's a shower, it's not drink. We put later in the hot water and we wash all the body. It's very nice for the skin, for red color, for anything bad. This one it's in Bardaosh. It's very good for body slim, for body loose. Drink many times every day. We lose too many kilograms after 1 week. This one it's in Sheikh. It's very good for stomach. We kill all the bacteria in the stomach, good for diarrhea.
Here we came down to see some traditional Bedouin bread making, and they explained to us the process of making these thin breads. And as they said, they use only flour, water and a little bit of salt. They do use the children to help them in this process to grind some wheats to get flour, and this is how they prepare this bread, which we had a chance to try, and I must say it was really nice. After that we headed back to drop off our quads. It took us around half an hour again across the desert, and as you can see here we had a really nice sunset. It was really scenic, although I must say it was quite difficult to take videos or photos because the ride is so bumpy and so unpleasant. But I hope I can show you just a piece of this atmosphere what we had there. Enjoy in these couple of remaining slides, and if you do this trip, I know that you're not going to regret. So have fun and I see you next time.